Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Price is too high. I can buy the same car for less at Hutter Ford. I just gave you one, but what about if I could buy the car for, here's a different one. What if I could buy the car way less at Hutter Ford? I mean, I can buy a lot cheaper at Hutter Ford. I mean, we're like $1,000 off, right? And it's a new car, and they're supposedly, it's the same exact car. So here's one that I like to do, and that is, you know what, Mr. Jones, if another dealer's, because we have market-based pricing, if another dealer has a vehicle that's priced way higher than ours, that kind of concerns me. I'm sure it does you too. So if I could I go through a series of questions with you so we can figure out why there's such a big discrepancy? Is that okay? So the first thing I'd ask them is, what was the year of the one you're looking at? Okay, now, don't help them. Okay, they're looking at 2021 Ford Expedition. Make them tell you, okay? It was a 2021 like yours, so you write that out. And then what was the make? What was the model? Here's where you can get usually some question. What was the trim package of the series? Okay, it was an XLT. I think it was an XLT. So they maybe know, maybe don't know. 5. What were the exact miles on the vehicle? This also works good for used as well. You can do this on used as well. So what were the exact miles? 6. What was the color? 7. Approximately how long ago was this? That was a couple of weeks ago, or it was 2 days ago. 8. When you did get the price quote, were you fortunate enough to be able to go in and get the price quote in person and maybe get to drive the car, or was this all done remotely, maybe like online, meaning internet, text, email, phone, that type of thing? They say, yeah, it was online. Okay, so it was online. And then lastly, why didn't you buy it? Uptone, right? Why didn't you buy it? And then that'll usually come out, right? Because in today's day and age, if you're priced that much higher, now, once I find the discrepancies, then I circle them. So let's say there was a question here. So it looks like, so after I finish it all, I go, oh, well, now I see why there's some discrepancy. I mean, there's a question here, and then there's actually a question here, because you didn't really have a chance really to see the vehicle yet. So I totally get it. Obviously, that's why they're priced a little different. You know, I know you love this car. What do you say we put all this shopping behind you, get you out of here so you can start enjoying the new car? Now,